Remember the first story that I told you here? This young, beautiful girl was going around taking stealing the destinies of people and returning it back to the queen mother of her kingdom, their water kingdom. It's a lie. It does not exist. And then really within the context of Igbo spirituality are known to be pure, morally sound spirits. They despise any form of promiscuity. They despise any form of dirt. This dirt it would include both spiritual dirtiness and bodily dirtiness. So if you're dirty, they really don't have a connection with you. So them presenting a false story that water spirits will send emissaries to come and steal the destinies of men. It is it is not the character or the behavior of Ndimiri based on our own indigenous knowledge. They will tell you that Ndimiri na soni and they appreciate cleanliness. And this is why the appropriate colors that they go to the water, they want you to wear when going to the water, include shouty colors like white to signify purity, yellow for attraction. These kinds of colors that are bright. They would even discourage you never to wear dull colors, especially black, when you want to go and perform water rituals. Because traditionally, it is believed that these water spirits are beacons of purity. So our ancestors never encouraged any form of dirtiness.